Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried chicken. So in this video I'll be using chicken drums and chicken thighs. So I added into a bowl 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a tablespoon of minced garlic and ginger, a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of salt, and I'm also adding chicken masala, the one you can find in instant noodle. I added the chicken in and I allowed that to marinate for about an hour and a half. For the coating, I added into a bowl flour, corn flour, salt, garlic powder, chili powder, and turmeric powder. I then added into a pan olive oil for it to heat up. I coated the chicken in the flour, then I fried the chicken for about 10 minutes, and here is the end result. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, as always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.